I literally put foundation, green concealer, and high coverage concealer on this, and she's still here, so she's here to stay. I'm sorry if you don't like her. I don't either, but... So I discovered that there's a Savers near me that I never knew existed, and on Mondays they have 50% off, so I bought a lot of shit that I didn't need, but I'm really happy about. So, okay, first thing I want to show you guys is I always wear this ring. I got it on Depop from a girl who makes spoon rings. I did it in like one of my last thrift hauls, but I found out how to make my own, so now I have one that I made. I just found a TikTok about it. I made a whole little TikTok about it too, but I'll link down that TikTok below if you guys want to learn how to make your own. You just have to have some tools. If your dad's a mechanic or you know someone whose dad's a mechanic, you probably have those tools, but it was actually kind of fun. I only got like 3 things, including the ring, that aren't clothes, but I want to show you them first because I'm like really excited about them. Okay, I got this as a housewarming gift for my friend who's moving. It's a bear lamp. It's literally a lamp with a little bear on it, and she said she wanted one for her writing desk when she moves out, so this is my friend's gift and I'm obsessed with it and I kind of want to steal it. It was literally $3. Savers is kind of expensive, but this was $3 and now I kind of want to steal it from her. Julia, if you don't get your bear lamp, I'm sorry. And then I got this hat. Oh my god, whoever had... I promise I cleaned it. This person had a small head. Or are you supposed to wear it like that? Oh my god, I kind of am in love with it. I want to wear this every day. Can we... I know people wear them for fun in TikToks, but can we bring them back for serious? Because I kind of want to wear it for literally the rest of the haul. This was $4, but it was half off, so it was $2. Okay, this is the most recent thing I got. I haven't even tried it on yet. But look how cute. It's definitely supposed to be lingerie, but I'm definitely going to wear it as a top. Look how cute it is. It's just all silky and pink with little flowers. Surprisingly cheap. Savers tends to upsell like Calvin Klein, Levi's, and name brands. Which like I guess makes sense, but everything's donated to them. Can this cover my pimple? Not really. Okay, this next thing with a white turtleneck and a little pleated skirt underneath, I'm literally obsessed with. I need to not say literally and I need to not say obsessed. This next piece on top of a pleated skirt and a turtleneck is exquisite. A tip for when you're thrifting, look outside of your size zone because for one, some things don't have tags on them and the employees have to guess what size it is. And 2, sometimes things are going to fit oversized, or you can wear something as a crop top, or just looking outside of your size zone can definitely help because this was in the large section, but I really like how it fits me. I live in Arizona where it's already back to 70 degrees, so I need to stop buying sweaters. But all of the sweaters were so cute. This one has triangles and hearts and blossoms and squares all over it. It's really flattering on. I bought a lot of brown because I've never really had a lot of brown before, and I like brown as a trend, but I kind of went overboard. Whatever, it's cute. I love this. In love. This next piece, I'm really sad because it doesn't fit me. I'm a little bit too tall and broad-shouldered for it, but I have a friend that it might fit, so I might give it to her. It's this little slip dress, and it looks perfect for a picnic. It has the cutest little lace detailing. Literally, I would be obsessed with it if it actually fit me. Unfortunately, it does not. Yeah, I'm surprised at how many things I've actually found in the slip dress section because I've always been kind of scared to look there because I thought it'd just be all lingerie. But this is adorable. Another reason to look outside of your section, because this was in the men's like medium or large section, and it's Billie Eilish merch. Like, it's her official merch. It literally has a tag and everything. And I guess the employee that tagged it didn't know that much because they only tagged it for like $4, so I ended up getting it for $2 because it was half off. And I love Billie, but I've never had her merch before, so I'm really excited that I was able to get it for so cheap. Just cute, simple. Love Billie. This is my all-time favorite thrift find of my life ever. Life has no better blessing than a good grandmother. It's a look. I'm obsessed with it. Some of the decals are peeling off and all, but I actually really like this color and the flowers, and I just think it's a funny message. I am gonna wear this every day. This one, I I don't know. It's a bit scandalous for me. It's outside of my comfort zone, but I feel like I could tuck it into jeans. Maybe just wear it in photos so I don't feel weird about wearing it out. But it's really cute. It's not like something I would usually wear. But I was so happy to find it in the thrift store in my size. Like, I never find stuff like this in my size. Well, I'll just wear it over this with the cowboy hat. Actually, okay, tucked into some like cute pants with a cowboy hat, maybe I can take photos like this. If anyone has recommendations on how to feel the confidence to wear this out, let me know, because I'm even scared to try it on for the video and put it in the try on section. I got this turtleneck, just real cute, simple. I feel like this will be perfect for layering too, or just wearing by itself. Because brown trend. Just a brown turtleneck. I kind of don't like the buttons on the side, but I can live with them. It'll be okay. And then ribs on the side, and I might cut the weird bottom part off. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but then I will have to sew a new hem, and I'm also not a big fan of sewing new hems. I don't know, I might just keep it as is, but I really like it. It's very soft, and it was a good deal at the thrift store. A sweater vest for a 3-year-old or a sweater vest for me? It's for me now. Yeah, so this is literally a baby Gap sweater, but it's one of the like XL ones, so it kind of fits me, and I actually really like the cropped sweater vest look. It's very cute, very good for layering, or just when it gets warm again, because everything I bought is long sleeved. Ooh, okay, next I'll move on to all of the stuff that I DIY'd a little bit. So this piece wasn't thrifted, but it was one of my favorite shirts for like 4 years. And then I stained it with bleach horribly. I thought I would have to throw it out because I didn't think there was anything I could do with it, that it was bleach stained. And then TikTok came out with the trend of dyeing your clothes brown, and I was like, okay, if I dye it a darker color, that should work. So I ordered a bottle of Rit dye. I just followed the instructions on the back. They have instructions for what type of material you're supposed to do it in, and it turned out like this. I might do it one more time because I kind of wanted a darker brown, but it took all of the bleach stains out. Like, I was scared it wouldn't dye evenly, but it did dye evenly, so now I have a cute brown shirt to use instead of my old dye stained shirt. So if you have any clothes that you might have to toss because they're stained or something, think about dyeing them brown. This one, it was a really cute cardigan, and then I just cropped it and sewed a new hem. I did a horrible job sewing this hem. I like the top, it looks cute with cute pants. I just might need to re-sew the hem. But with brown high-waisted pants, adorable. This is the last DIY I did, and I'm getting better at DIYs, but I'm not great at DIYs. So I found this giant brown shirt, and I really liked the color and the material. Okay, one of the most simple DIYs, if you know how to sew or use a sewing machine, I traced one of my favorite tank tops that fits me really well. I added about a 1/2 inch for seam allowance on every side. I sewed the two sides together, right sides facing in, flipped it inside out, and then for the hem on the top and the bottom, I used this zigzag stitch. You gotta go slow if you're a beginner, because I went slow and I didn't even get it straight. So that's my recommendation. But yeah, zigzag stitch to the top and bottom. And then for the straps, I just cut really long pieces of fabric, and then I folded them in on themselves, did a little zigzag stitch for those, attached it, and then I have a whole new top. It's not perfect, it's not the straightest, but for a beginner, I'm very proud of it. That's everything that I actually DIY. This t-shirt, I actually really like it because I love this color of green, and then it just says Nike 3 times on it. Perfect for casual days, maybe even going to the gym or something. And it's actually summer clothes, it's not a sweater. Next, another sweater. This is kind of outside my comfort zone again, but I feel like if I ever visit the snow or anything, it's good to have cool, fun sweaters. So, I also really like the shade of pink and blue. Cute and simple sweater, and it was half off. Champion hoodie in the cutest blue. It's got embroidered on both sleeves with the logo on both sleeves, and then a dark blue logo on the chest. It's a little bit, the pocket is coming out like a 1/2 inch, but that's the easiest fix in the world. I'll just have to stitch over that. It's really soft. I'm a big fan. Okay, and then the last thing in this very cute pink color is this Tom and Jerry top. And it has like the official merch logo detail on the tag. So the front has Jerry with his little brick of cheese. And then the back has the bulldog and then Tom chasing Jerry. It says Tom and Jerry. It's the prettiest pink color. If you can't tell, I like pink. And this was the last piece that I got. I spent too much money, but I think it was worth it. So that was my thrift haul. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know the videos you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.